Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Dolby Atmos on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Not all Android devices will support this, so we can check in the settings. Open the main settings app and then tap into the search bar at the top. Type in Dolby or Dolby Atmos and have a look at the search results. If there aren't any results, unfortunately your device probably doesn't support it. But if there is, tap on it and then you can use the toggle switch to turn it on. There might also be an option to turn it on for gaming separately. You could also search for sound quality in the search bar to get to a page to change related settings. That's how to turn on Dolby Atmos on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.